Well, this is the FOIL method, okay? This is your traditional distributing when you're multiplying here, okay? The FOIL, each letter stands for something, okay? I'm not going to use numbers 1 and 2 because it doesn't work with that. But I will show you what FOIL means. So F is for first. So you multiply the first terms. O is for the outside. So you multiply the outside terms. I is for the inside. Multiply the inside terms. And L is for the last. You multiply the last terms. Okay? So I'm going to show you with number 3 and number 4. So these are the same problems as the box and the stack method. All right? So we multiply the first times first. So the first term in the first polynomial times the first term in the second polynomial, sorry. So 5n times 5n is 5n squared, right? Remember, there's two n's now. So you when you multiply them, you add the exponents. So 5n squared. So then you do the outside. So you got the 5n and the 1. Those are your two outside terms, all right? So you multiply those together. And you get 5n times negative 1, negative 5n. Okay? And then you do the inside. So the 1 and the n, those are your insides, all right? So you multiply these together. 1 times n is plus 1n. All right, and then you do your last terms. So the 1 is the last term in the first polynomial, and this negative 1 is the last term in the second polynomial. All right? Hopefully you can follow my rainbow colors here. So 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And then the last part, so you're done with this. Now look at what you just made. All right, that's not a negative 7. That's supposed to be an arrow. Okay? And then you combine any like terms. All right? So we have 5n squared because there's no other n squareds. But then we have this negative 5n and n, 1n, in the middle. Since they both have an n, you can add them together. So negative 5n plus 1n equals negative 4n. And then the minus 1 in the back because there's no other constants. So that's it. So you're just combining the middle terms, all right? I'll do number 4 using the FOIL method as well, okay? So you do 3n times 3n, the first terms, which is 9n squared, okay? I'll give you a hint. It's always a squared in the first term, all right? Then you do the outside term. So 3n times the negative 3, negative 9n. Then you do the inside terms. Okay, negative 2 times 3n, which is negative 6n. And then you do negative 2 times negative 3, which is the last terms, which is a plus 6. Okay, then all you do is combine like terms, which is the two middle ones. Okay, so you got 9n squared, and then negative 9n minus 6n is minus 15n, and then the plus 6 at the end. Okay, you can see that you have a n squared, an n to the 1, remember it's invisible, and no variable. So that's your answer. Okay, that is the box method. If you have any questions, let me know.